burned the fuck out of my arm. So right behind me, you guys see the home gym. I'm going to show you some clips of me lifting in it, and let me go over what you're about to see in the home gym. So let's check this little baby out. Alright, so here I've got the same squat rack that you see from the gym videos at the other gym. Just some basic steel plates, nothing fancy on those. Found all those on Craigslist. Some bands, yes, raw lifters can use bands and they're awesome. Belts and whatnot. Built this little platform. Some little mats from Home Depot. This little bench, the same from my old videos. You guys recognize that beautiful son of a bitch right there. And this rack right here and this bench setup is, I believe it's a Forza rack. It's got the pull-up bar on there, band peg attachments, 2 sets of safeties so you can do like pin presses and isometric lifts, that kind of stuff, and it has dip attachments back here. Some other variables, it's got some kettlebells in there, nothing too heavy. I think like 53 is the heaviest. Some little 8-pound dumbbells, chalk, little box to squat onto, easy curl bar, another bar. This is a shitty old rusty bar. Look at that rusty bastard right there. No lifting is getting done on that thing. Well, not a whole lot of lifting. So yeah, that's the home gym right here. Let's take a gander. Those washing machines right over there. It's like the old Pete Rubish videos. Washing machines. So check out these clips of me lifting in the new home gym. Going to be training out of here. It's going to be my home base predominantly because just schedule and life. And this is the most conveniently placed place for me to lift. So happy I got it in here, and just look forward to getting stronger in the convenience of my own home. Thanks for watching.